Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
For much of the global economy, 2023 is going to be a tough year as the main engines of global growth, the United States, Europe and China, all experience weakening activity, the head of the International Monetary Fund said. The UK is enforcing a tax exemption for foreign investors purchasing crypto through local investment managers or brokers. The tax break, announced in December, is a part of Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's plans to turn the UK into a crypto hub. Tesla just reported 2022 year-end vehicle production and delivery numbers. In the fourth quarter, Tesla reported deliveries of 405,278 vehicles. That brings Tesla's 2022 full-year deliveries to around 1.31 million vehicles.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Germany's unemployment change at 08:55 GMT. Germany's unemployment rate will be released at 08:55 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.